How to fix we can't activate Windows on this device, or we can't connect to organization error 0xC004F074. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's instructional video, I'll be demonstrating the process of resolving the problem related to the inability to activate the Windows on your device due to the failure to connect it to your organization with the error code 0xC0074. If you're currently facing the same issue, I'll walk you through the necessary steps to easily resolve it. To begin with, you should start by navigating to your Windows search bar and type CMD and then run it as an administrator. Now here, simply input the command sfc/scannow. This command will be available in the description box for you to copy and paste. Upon executing the command, system will conduct an overall scan for the integrity violations and corrupted files, finalizing the verification process at 100%. After closing this window, the subsequent crucial step involves once again accessing the command prompt as an administrator, where you will paste the provided command. Then after, confirm and respond to the subsequent message regarding the key management service. Following this, paste and execute the second command, resulting in a successful product activation message. Upon closing the window, restart your PC and I am confident that your issue will be effectively resolved. So this is basically on how can you activate the Windows on your device. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.